show. I fell in love with a punk rock girl while the band played sad Midwest emo. She knew all the songs, sang every word. I love her East Coast attitude. Wears Doc Martens and a dragon tattoo. Born and raised in Philadelphia, a leather jacket Cinderella. She's gonna take my heart, and I do this ordinarily. Ain't got no faith in Virgin Mary. We all end up in the cemetery before I die. I wanna show
Ok ok ok